had a massive day yesterday. I can't remember a day that I've had a 100% win rate before, but I didn't get stopped out in any of my trades. Made over $1,400. I kind of wish I had live streamed that one, but maybe I wouldn't have performed that well if I did. Yesterday should have been a pretty quiet day. There wasn't any news, but things just kind of ran for me and did what I expected it to do. Today, however, the market took a crap. Once the CPI report came out, it's reporting a little bit hotter than expected, so the expectation of the Federal Reserve reducing interest rates might be a little bit delayed, or we'll have to see. There's another piece of news coming out later on today, which is the meeting minutes where they're reacting to that news. That's later in the afternoon, so I'm not sure what we're going to do here. The first idea is like a bounce, because we had such a large drop-off. But then how high of a bounce are we expecting before it fails? So it could get a little tricky. I don't want to give back everything I made yesterday, so I want to lower my stop loss a little bit, just so I can guarantee I keep at least some of the gains from yesterday, because that was way too good. Still got 4 minutes, so I guess I could probably show where the trades were. Let me drop down to the 1 minute and see if it'll pop up. It gets touch and go. So today I want to trade, I want to make money, and then I want to play some of the games that Akira Toriyama had character designs on. The next one on the list is Tobal, which is a fighting game. We tried Blue Dragon on Monday, but I didn't really care for it. Might play a little bit more of it, but yeesh. Okay, that's a lot of trades. Okay, we go to yesterday. Let's see if that comes up. No? 5 minute, and then I'll... No, that's not coming up either. There we go. So I was able to get a low-level bounce here. Took some stuff off. Re-added on a retest here, and I kind of did the exact same thing on every retest I added. And this thing went all the way to target. And then I even got a couple of shorts in. This one's really scary. This one could have stopped me out, but I held on to it, and probably held on to it for a little too long. Yeah, this one I probably should have stopped on, but I held it, and it hit the high, or couldn't get above. It hit the high, and then it just couldn't get above and hold that level here, and then it just dumped, and then I just covered. Looks like I did one more trade in the afternoon after I took a nap, but that was a massive day for me. If only they were all like that. And today we'll just see what happens. It's gonna get tricky. I don't know if it'll have like a really lukewarm bounce and then wait until the afternoon, or what's gonna happen. Looks like we're kind of bouncing already. So we're just gonna have to see. So the plan is get in, get the money, get out, play games. That's always the plan, but I really hope today I can get something. I know people like to have news reports and stuff like that, because it really ignites the market and makes things move, but it also gets a little bit dangerous. And then yesterday there was no news at all, and I did really well. So I kind of like it when it's just not all hectic. Oh, there's also the release of the Mega Man music track, Mega Man X. So hopefully I don't get so distracted on the stock market that I forget to go over and show it. Man, Mega Man X, at least the first 3 games, those music tracks are pretty memorable for me back on the Super NES days. It's kind of crazy what kind of tunes they were able to get back then. I mean, that stuff was really iconic. And so we're trying to go through the list of music tracks that were important to me, and a lot of them are older. There's a few newer things that are coming up a little bit later, but a lot of the ones that that I really enjoy are older. Because when you get to the symphonic stuff, there gets so complicated that you can't really keep a tune to your head. I mean, you think you can memorize Mario, it's really simple, and you can hum it while you're down the street, but like if it's this grand, expansive, multi-piece orchestra, I can't really keep that in my head. Not to hum. There might be some pieces that are interesting, but it's just hard to do. Okay, we got 28 seconds. Let's see what happens. Not quite sure how I'm going to handle this one yet. The first case scenario is a bounce, but that might have already happened. I don't know how bad things are going to be interpreted. So excuse me if I don't see your message right away. Okay, so here's the low. Oh, no, we're not at the low. Okay, so this is the low of pre-market. Ah, I missed it. Okay. That's fine. We don't have to get in on the first minute anyway. We can get a break up and then a retest if we want. I shouldn't even be playing the first 2 minutes anyway. And we're off sides too, and below all the moving averages. So it wants to dump, but I'm gonna have to reach some type of equilibrium point before it starts crapping itself. But yeah, yesterday was really amazing. It got us more than halfway to the goal this month. Got a pretty wide range there. Oh, okay, you broke it. No retest. Well, I'm not gonna latch on to any early trades today, it looks like. For a while I was waiting 15 minutes before I entered, but then things got a little too choppy and things didn't run to target right away. Yeah, I missed the bounce. So this was the very bottom of the price I was pre-market, and this was like the level, and it held the level. It didn't go down all the way here and retest that. It just held the top of that bar. That was the bouncing bar. So I'm not going to be able to get on this train. What I'd want is it to come back to the topping tail here, and then maybe we can do a light share size, but I don't want to knock out my account on the first trade. But that was quite the dump, but we're still within all the levels that I held out for it. Like if I take a look at the NQ on the daily, we're still in this range that we've just been playing with for weeks. And then once we lose this one here, then it's all hell breaks loose to the downside. It looks like it's still distributing, so we're still probably gonna drop lower. We're below the moving average now, and we're kind of retesting that bottom piece, so eventually, I don't know if it's gonna be today, but maybe tomorrow during a gap down, we might break through this. Tricky stuff here. Okay, so you have this, you didn't close below. Man, it was already quite a dump for you. So you didn't close below. Man, I'm just really hesitant today. And then even if it breaks below this and I short it, then you still have this to contend with where it could bounce again. Oof. Yeah, I might just need to wait the first 15 minutes. Part of the reason why I did so well yesterday was being able to anticipate the bottom, which was a lot easier. Because if I take a look at the daily, you have the bias set to up. Based off of the reaction of this bottoming out, retesting, and then this one would be a higher. But now that we're opening up here, it's inside the range, so it's a little bit less clear to me what it wants to do. So it can either bounce here, or it can drop all the way down here, retest, and then if it doesn't, then it can make one more low and go up. So there's lots of things that they could trick you with. Okay, so we got a tail here. Let's see if we get a break below here. I might try to do a small share size, but it's still really wild right now. Suppose I should do a scan, see if there's anything else showing up. So things are going to be quite a bit. Too much movement has taken place, so I can't really do like a long-term trade. Alright, what do we got here? So you're still here, you got a lower low. Might be bouncing from here. Nope. Tricky. Alright, let's try one expeditionary trade here. It's not pushing through. There we go. Alright. It's gonna be a little pathetic one, but... see if you can break the high here. That'd be interesting. If you break the high and then you retest again from that point. What's it gonna be, buddy? Looks like the market wants to gain a level. Alright, I gotta cut this out. So retest here. It didn't hold. Man, I took too long to cover on that one. Okay, retest here. Let's see what happens. Looking pretty lethargic though. Might need to retest here and make another low before it goes up. But like I said, we're inside of a bar. Nope, it's testing that one. Okay, I'm gonna lose. See where this thing closes though. If it breaks the top of that tail, then I'm exiting out. Or it could just work. I'm not gonna make it to the open. See what we can do here. Okay, so you did close below, but you'd like to get 2 closes, but it may not happen. So you broke through the tails. Now you're coming back down to where I wanted to retest beforehand. Probably one more low and then a reversal. Uh-oh. Okay, here's a retest. Couldn't break above, but that was a little scary. Yep, we gotta wait till the thing closes. 30 seconds left. They really like to pop it and really get you to... See, if you have a manual stop set, then you're gonna get hit. Which is why I try to do all that manually. Alright, so... Not cleared yet, though. Doesn't look like it will at this point. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm not putting any big size in this stuff today. 20 seconds left. Let's see if it breaks below that previous candle or not. No. Come on, baby. Still close below. Okay, so this thing's gonna see if it rolls over here. So then it'll take out this order, make one more low, and then reverse, possibly. But it is retesting this here, but I think that they like to do one more low. They kind of get predictable in the way that they do things, which is why the whole thing works. Your edge is your percentage of how often you've seen things in the past occur. Alright, 42 bucks. 47 bucks, sorry. So now what we're gonna do is wait. So the NQ did the exact same thing where it retested and couldn't quite hold it, and it's rolling over a little bit. Now look at that, left a tail. Still couldn't close up above it. You gonna launch now or later? So he did go a little bit lower. Wonder how Bitcoin's doing. Alright, so it could not hold the level. Do I want to try a short again? I don't think my targets can be that too far away, though. Okay, it's struggling. Alright, we're doing this one more time. Let's see what happens here. Possibly I screwed myself. Let's see. You're gonna get it all back from me? Didn't clear this. Yeah. That was fast. Shit. Alright, so it did bounce here, went above here, now I want to see a reversal. Damn! So they got me on that one. Let's see if we get a reversal here, and then we can try a long. Maybe do a long-term scan. So we have end phase energy. No, 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 come back a little bit. Could be a losing day. But given what I did yesterday, I don't want to give it all away. We're still obviously against the moving average, but there was a gap down into something that we've already tested before. So it's bound to get a bit choppy. But I do like the way that Tesla moves. Well, EMPH is already at the target. This red line. Okay, so we have Can't hold it. So we got this, you got here. This needs a hold here. Looks like he might be dying off. This is a retest of that low. See if it breaks or not. So triple tap. Just be careful here. Ah, shit. Fuck. Nice. Order was too slow. So now we're stuck in this to hit until we can be a break it or not. Oh. Now, historically, Tuesdays are my worst days. And Wednesdays are one of my better ones. Fuck! Alright, they got me there. Son of a bitch. But they did break below the low here. And that's 2 losing trades in a row. Now they're taking out the now they've taken out the low. So until otherwise, let me take a look at the daily again. It's still a little bit difficult to... I mean, right now you still want to go low until I can prove you otherwise. Could try a light size and then see what happens. And then if it comes up and then fails up here, then we can add. Still an opportunity to recover. It's just getting more difficult the more I get stopped out. So let's see if we get a continuation or not. Usually you should get a secondary break below here. Let's see what happens. It's not breaking to the low. Let's see a break, man. Yeah, okay, so the market is tanking here. Let's see it break. Come on, buddy. Okay. Target's down here if it really wants to use its full ATR. It just has a gap down today, so I don't know if that's going to be the case. Okay, continuation. You gotta watch out for 171 here. Okay, we're positive again. Let's see if we get another low, and then we have to really watch if this 171 becomes a bounce point or not. It doesn't have to happen at a whole number, it's just, there might be a lot of orders there. I don't see anything on the price ladder, though. Still have 300 shares. Now we're gonna move some of this stuff. Alright, one more low here, please. Okay. Alright, so that was a retest. Okay, EMPH already hit target. This was the thing on my list that we could have gone in on. QCOM as well. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to just scalp today. Okay, so we retested, we failed, but we haven't cleared this bar yet. We gotta watch out here. Okay, I'm now betting on it continuing. Okay, I got it. Keep going, baby. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Okay. Break 171, please. Break 171. Okay, we did it. Okay, now run it. Run it. Run it! So here is a low to be tested. It's probably gonna have a bounce down here. Good thing we made a lot of money yesterday, because this is a little bit rougher. Come on, baby. Get ready to stop yourself out. Still below 171, though. Here's a reattempt at 171. What's it gonna be here? I'm watching this one like a hawk. Get ready to cover here. Damn. Yeah, the thing is, I don't have a really good entry here. I kind of got in a little bit late, and then I added. Should have probably just stopped at 200, huh? But this is a retest of this. Yeah, I should have just covered completely, huh? Looks like the market's going up, too. Market is gaining a level here. Shit, I had 200 bucks. Okay, retest. See if it breaks up and above. And then needs a hold. So yeah, the candle that took us to a new low here. Come on, man, I just want to play video games. Can you let me play video games? Okay, didn't close below. Still got some time on this one. See where it's gonna retest. You got here, you got possibly here. This was a huge rejection, so I'd expect it right around that moving average as a reversal point if it keeps going up. And then it's a matter if it gets to the ATR target or not. Oh, the other thing to consider if you go up to a higher time frame is that we're right off the 200-period moving average as well, so this could get pretty choppy. Not a great day. That is a problem for the long term. Moving average is a support point. Better support would be a price level and the moving average at the same time, which is a little bit higher than, but you're going to get some reaction that's going to prevent you from rolling it over here. And then you look at a higher time frame again, so good rejection here. Now they're buying it up, so we have a level here, so we're just going to have this chop fest of a day. And some people can play it pretty well, because you make your money off of volatility, but if you're wrong, you can get chopped out. So now it's holding this area, it's double tested it, so you want to go long. Alright, I'm gonna try a long here, see what happens. Watch out for any wipeout candles. So you went here, you tested, you are now above a level, so I want you to go higher. Watch out for any wipeouts. I want you to clear this topping tail. It's kind of in a neutral point, but you've already tested this here, so I want to see you move upwards. But you're also, see, you're kind of stuck. It's not the best trade because you still got this where it rejected, but now you also have support here, so I don't know, man. So let's take this one off. And we're coming into a possible resistance area. Alright, you are getting pushed down. This is a tough day. Tough one. It ain't no $1,000 in 30 minutes type of thing. Alright, you're not giving me the juice. You're still holding, I just don't want to get stuck up there. Market's doing pretty good. It's gonna retest another level as well. It's got air. A bunch of air to reclaim. Wow, remember when I had $200? You think I should have stopped there? Alright. So you're coming into the range where you failed there, man. Let me start rolling you out. Then you're gonna need to regain that and then retest and then go higher. Then we can start playing a different game. Can you gain it? Moonwatcher, always good to see you. Sorry if it took a few minutes to see your message. You get too sucked up into this. Doing pretty well. Did really well yesterday. How's work and life going for you? Okay, we do have a pretty important moment here. So this is the previous failure point, and it already got rejected from here multiple times, so I'm gonna get ready to flatten this position. It's gonna need to regain it. Watch out for the trapdoor to spring. Nope. Okay, and it could test this area yet again. It's forming a pretty decent level here. I don't know if this is the day that it's gonna roll over completely or not. It's still... Yeah, I don't know. It's... Damn, it's going up against 2 days of, positive. Into a gap down where people are gonna be buying. Okay, I'm trying this again, tentatively. Gotta watch out here. So it didn't make a lower low than that tail. Come on, babe. You're failing on me. Come on. What's gonna happen here? Got a nice tail into where it already supported. Now it just needs to kind of grind away for a bit. Or it might dump. Not looking good for me so far. Okay, so it broke below. This is not good. It's gonna need to launch and clear that previous red right now. Nope, we just tried again and failed. God damn, so we just lost our money there. Oh, this is gonna be a tough day. Fuck me. Try one more long here. God damn, my fucking limit order, or my market orders are slow. Nope, this was a mistake. I was hoping it would hold that. It was looking like it would, but now it just made a lower low. Shit. Oh, we just gave it back. Tough day. We also have the 200 period moving average too on the higher time frame, like right here. But I still want to try a long. It's really trying. Okay, one more here, see what happens. Let's see if this thing ignites or not. Kind of a pitiful igniting. Okay, let's see if we can close above these things. I don't want to see this thing drop below. Okay, another retest. Good bar right there. Retesting where we've gained. This is gonna destroy me if I lose this one. Got some limit orders here. It still looks like it wants to gain that based off the way it's playing around here, but... well... Ah, shit. Okay, come on, baby. You gotta hold this, or I'm screwed. Damn. Come on, baby. I need one more igniting bar out of you. So you're dying off here. Come on, baby. Jesus Christ. Come on. Alright, so it did hold there, so now we want to see this thing kind of run up to the next level here. Alright, so... this is gonna be... the Alamo. Now it needs to break up and above, and then retest to see if we can go higher from this. Came at 200 again. Let's see if I can get to 300 and then call it good for the day, huh? Tricky day, like I said, man. Because you had a gap down, and then you had a low, and then a lower low, and then you were looking to see it kind of hold this area, and it finally did, and then it broke up and above, made a clearing bar above all that crap. Still has a chance to linger here for a while. I'm just hoping I can get out with 300. So now here's a retest. I want to see it take the open. Moonwatcher left me, now I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely. Alright. So we broke up and above, let's retest this area. Looking good for the longs. Okay, take that. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Fuck it. Alright, move this up. So we got 300. Could've just closed it off here, but I didn't. Ideally, I'd be making 450 a day, or 500 a day. 500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'm still quite a bit off of that. But I know that today is going to be tricky, so I don't want to linger in here longer than I have to. I did make quite a bit yesterday. So you're doing a pullback. This is a really strong bar. I probably could have added it right there. But you could look for a little bit more penetration here than a reversal, and that would look a lot better than where it's at right now. But a real nice clearing bar, getting rid of all the red. So, we're right at this origin point where the thing just dumped. But it looks like the market wants to recover. So we had that pre-market dump. And then had some hesitation down here. Then we broke up and above, got a pullback, but they couldn't close it. and then it regained a level. This is the NASDAQ. So I kind of wanted to see that same type of thing affect other stocks as well, and Tesla had the same thing happen. It had the dump. It actually did go below the pre-market low, but once it made that lower low, it bounced to kind of reflect what's happening in the broader market. Doesn't always have to happen, but it's something to be warned about. It also has the 200 period moving average here as well, so you're going to look for some type of reaction off of it, even if it's not a price level exactly. Okay, so this is kind of what we want here. It's a little bit of a pullback, but we want to see an immediate reverse. I don't want to break down below. Gotta be hesitant about that. And then if it takes out that purple line there, I'm definitely out. So it is reacting not the best here. It does have this to contend with, which is where it failed, so it's going to take a little bit more power to get us out of this mess. And let's watch to see if it gives up completely or not. You're kind of giving it up here, man. Okay, this is bad. We need a clearing bar, like, right now. Trying to sucker me in to go long. We've seen dumps happen, too, from these clearing bars. Where they wanted to just grab liquidity to roll it over more, but I'm not really seeing that in the broader market either, so it makes me still want to kind of go long here. And it could be just, if you zoom out, maybe a little bit of a chop zone too. Alright, we'll take a chance on this. Get ready to flatten, it's not working out for us. Come on, baby. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, now we need another clearing bar. Otherwise, we're still in the previous 15-minute boundary. Alright, now it's making a lower high here. You need to gain that, man. If anything, I might need to just take a step back and just trade more in the afternoon until things really get fleshed out. Alright, I tell you what, I'm done once it hits 300 again, if I can get it to 300. I wanted to keep riding it, but this is not working out. It's just... it's threatening a collapse. And now I have a higher cost average. What do we got in the 5-minute? So you have this is definitely a level to hold, but you're getting rejected here. We have, inside bar like this. Okay, let me switch back. We want to see the 5-minute get taken out. So now we have this here. It's an indecision bar. Need to break above it. Lots of different factors to look at. On the one hand, it's a level that I got rejected from before. On the other hand, the moving average is increasing. It's gained this here. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Get ready to get the parachute. Okay. Yeah, the market's still struggling to hold that level at a gain, too, so you gotta watch out for any sudden dumps. That's not a good one. Come on, buddy. You need to gain this right here. Alright, you're dumping. Ah, son of a bitch. Okay, so now it's outside that 5-minute range. Could be a retest too, but now I need to wait a little bit, or else they're gonna get chopped up. Yeah, okay. Now you're losing the purple. Let's see what happens here. I mean, at this point, my expectation is you're going lower. Jesus. And you're taking a lot of shit from me. Alright, I'm stopped out at this closes here. So there was a bounce there. It didn't close any lower. See if it gains that 5-minute point that it lost. Looks like it might. And then you still have the 200 right there, so it's just tough. I don't know what to tell you. It didn't close below the purple line. It was looking like it wanted to. And I can't take a trade here. I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Still doesn't look good. Okay, now it needs to break that low of that tail bar. That's a lot of work. You still have the 200 down there, too. You have a lot of stuff to the upside. Yeah, there we go. Fuck me, man. Just a tough day, dude. Should have quit at 300. Yeesh. Now you have that fucking void. Well, there you go. Now you gained it, asshole. Okay, now we need to see a retest. Okay, so you broke up from above. You got this. You're retesting this area. Pull back a little bit. Try one more trade here. Pull back a little bit. A little bit more. Let's see if you, because you can break above here, it's gonna be another void where you're gonna run through as well. So let's see what you got. Man, you really fucked me on that one, dude. What's it gonna be? Sometimes you just hate this game. They're bleeding me now. So you broke up and above, now you're retesting from this area. The market's still having that same type of issue where it's just kind of holding at that level. And it might just keep doing that too. Ah, shit, we're gonna lose everything here. See if we can get positive. Can we do it? Come on. Come on. Shit. This is tough. That is incredible. Well, you just took everything from me. So it's another retest here. Let's see if we do it again. Okay. Still have a lot of shares, man. Make me happy. You're gonna need to rip through the bullshit up here. Damn it. Okay, let's take a step back here. So we're still within a 5-minute area. Bounce off the 200 period moving average. Retested low. Couldn't complete top. Retested again. Expectation is that it'll break this top area. No? Man. Okay, well, if I hit 300, I'm definitely done today. This is just giving back everything over and over and over again. So you made a significant retest here. You broke up and above. You retested here again. But you're still... It's hard to read. Expectation is a high, higher than this high, but it's not showing on a low-level time frame yet. So this is good. This is a bottoming tail here. Let me make the new Alamo. Big retest down here. Come on, man, I need you to get above this yellow line here. You are making things real difficult today. We knew that going out of the gate. At least we're going with the 200 period moving average now. Or the 20 period moving average now. Alright, we need you to ignite above all of this garbage. This garbaggio. Come on. Man, you're still stuck, you sack of crap balls. I need you to ignite one more time. There you go. Okay, let's get up to 300 here. So now you've made an attempt. You have to hold this. You don't want to just leave a topping tail there. You're gonna have to hold it. So you probably had a lot of stops there that are now releasing their shares. So let's see where this thing closes after all is said and done. And it's really it's really struggling to stay up there. Okay, not good. God damn it, these fuckers are doing it to me again. Because you already tested the low, now what are you doing? Doing it again? You're just chopping around? Fuck. Oh, shit. This could be a change in direction here. Needs to leapfrog over this bullshit and stay there. So you're at the level you've already tested multiple times, man. Are you just grabbing liquidity or what? Jesus Christ. Okay. Well, I'm done for the day, I guess. You can't hold this. You're right there. I fucking tried doing... You can't break through it. You're trying. But now I'm negative again for the day. Oh, fuck. Yeah, 5 minute doesn't look too good anymore. Yeah. When in doubt, zoom out. I have zoomed out. I am still in doubt. So you're just in a... Yeah, damn it, I should have fucking exited out again. It looks like you're losing it. But you also are going up against tail bars, so it's just a real shitty situation. Great, now it's holding. Fuck me. No. Okay, breakdown. Okay, this is the yellow line I was telling you about. Let's see if it breaks through it. Just holding here. Need to clean up my chart. So it still bounced off the yellow line. But now it's below where it should have held. Market looks like it wants to take a shit too at this point. It had a chance here to gain this and it didn't, just sold off. But we're still in a really large shop zone. Hey Kip. Ah, Jesus. This is a tough day, man. Alright. So it again tested the yellow level. Now I want to see it pull back a little bit and kind of hold. Man, this is... Oh, this is tough. Let's see. What do we got? We're below the 200, but we've retested this level multiple times. Made the ultimate low here earlier today, retested it. Retested this, went to the yellow line, tested it, now you've broken up and above again. God damn it. Should've quit up here. This is the stock market game. Am I in the wrong category? I probably am in the wrong category. I probably forgot to switch it over. Sorry about that, man. Stupid categories on Twitch. Probably on, like, oh, it's on Blue Dragon. Alright, now it's on stocks. This is the game where you make money, or lose money. So it's retesting that level again, failed, but now we have even more proof that it wants to move higher. Man, that thing tricked me out today. Alright, buddy. Come back down here one more time. Okay. So how's this thing gonna play around then? It couldn't hold the high. Retested the lower level. Looking for it to move higher now. But there's like a vacuum here. We're just swapping back and forth pretty hard. Okay, let's break above the high this time, please. Can someone please push this thing over? I am not quick enough on my feet to take advantage of all of this volatility. Now we're negative again. So we tried multiple times to get that level, we couldn't. We're getting smashed. Every time we're making a run, we're getting smashed. So at some point it's gonna give up. I don't know if this is gonna be the give up point, but it certainly looks like it. But every time it bounces, it just runs hot. But that 5 minute looks like shit. See if it takes out that bounce bar or not. Man, I'm really getting tired today. I might have to just take this one as a loss. This thing is exhausting my brain. Go to the 5 minutes, see what's going on here. Not good. So you broke down, you reversed it, you bounced, you broke up, you're bounced again, you're having rejections off of this level. Let me drop down. Still having problems. There we go. Man, there is a void here, this liquidity void, where this thing's just shooting up all over the place. Come on, baby, one more time. This time, get up there and hold, please. Alright, this time. Well, this is where you can make your daily wage in like 15 minutes, if not sooner. But it is complicated. There's not many people that can do this right. But I've been doing it for a number of years and finally started to get consistent. So like yesterday I made over 1,400 bucks, but today is a little bit difficult because of the way that things are set up. I don't know if you're still here. I'm so dialed in, it's hard to look at the names. Alright, we need to see this hold here. So we have the igniting bar. We need to get this thing above. Don't fucking fail on me again. I'm seeing enough of this bullshit. Somebody's gonna have to give up at some point. Man, this thing's really eating into that reversal bar. Man, we are in a real bad chop zone. Holy fuck. Okay, get ready to flatten this. Good thing that we have such a great cost average from being down here, but this thing needs a hold. If the bar gets completely taken out, we're in deep shit. But the flinging back and forth is so fast. You didn't game this, man. No. Well, we're at a better spot than we were beforehand. We're retesting this area, but I didn't want to hold it just in case it breaks. If I take a look at the 15-minute, it looks like complete garbage. Let me clearing up everything and start over again. Obviously can't hold the open. This is a 15-minute bar. Body. We got a 5-minute thing down here. Took us to a new low. This is just tough. But I have to clean this up a little bit because it's getting too... I mean, I suppose I could jump onto another stock, but this thing is so fluid. This time we got a lower high. Let's see if this thing can break this time. Okay, gotta watch out here because it's could do another massive pump up. But it's been squished multiple times. Just waiting for the breakdown to occur. Alright, so now we're having the breakdown. So now what I want is possible retest and then failure. See where you're going with this, bud. Okay, okay. How's your retest? What you gonna do? Wait for the closure here. Man, that is a strong retest. These guys are just fucking punks today. $20 seconds left. Alright. Taking another risk. Let's see what happens. Didn't close there. God damn it. Come on down. Looked like he had a really nice break there. Make a lower low here. You're not making a lower low. Come on. Make a lower low. Okay, let's get some follow-through now. And you still have these to contend with too, but you can just see this thing kind of breaking down. It even looks more apparent on the 15-minute that it wants to break down, but this thing is like fighting for every inch. And it still has this ultimate low here. Now we go up to 5-minute aggregation. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I need to see you break, man. Let's go. Not quite wanting to do it, but you're not gaining anything either. Let's get one swoop down to the downside. There we go. So now we got 200 shares left. Let's see if we can ride these to $300, which I should have cut out before a couple times. Oh, motherfucker. Now if we break this, then it's gonna look really good. There's gonna be, no doubt, some bounces in between. Alright, we're totally done at 300 if we can get to 300, alright? No more fucking around. 300, we're done. God damn, what a fucking day. Holy shit. I do not want this thing getting above this tail bar, so if that happens, we're gonna stop ourselves out. See what happens here. So you got this. We have a really good position right now. Damn! This is tough. Today is not like yesterday at all. I don't know why people want to play news event days when they're like that. I guess we should have traded pre-market. So we're up 225 bucks right now, but I was aiming for 300 on a tough day like today. So now this is getting the level here. I'm gonna have to flatten this thing out. Alright, so we're gonna have to look for a long again. We're a little bit too late. So it did a reversal here, so I wanted it to... I was hoping it would kind of retest this and then we can go long. But it didn't... We didn't get that opportunity. Oh, I still want to get 300 out of today, but... It's too difficult. We've been close to it multiple times and then I've lost it. It's just trying to play through all this choppy garbage. We know the low has been set in. But now it's having a really hard time retaking the open price. had to stop myself out because it took out the top of that tail bar. But they like to do a trick where they take out stops and then roll it over. Let's see if that's the case or not. So you're like part way into a retest to go long, and you're also part way into failure. If we have another closure below here, I'll probably take a short. Yeah, that was a little bit anticipatory, but let's see what we can get out of it. Let's see if it makes another low here. If it wanted to gain that level, it should have just gained it here, but we had two closes below, so I want to take some... see if we can get some profit here. No. Too hesitant. Come on, buddy. Okay. Close below here. Get me to 300 and then we can go play games, do whatever the hell we want. So, close below, two closes below. We want to see it go lower. This thing is reaching again, trying to piss me off. I'm gonna go short again, add to my short. Because you had two closes below. If you wanted to run it up, then you should have gone here. Alright, let me check my broker, see if I'm already at 300 or not. Ah, shit. That's my fucking... Here, I'll put it out here just in case. I want to be done with this. Today has sucked. 296, so we're not there yet. Oh, it filled. Okay, let's see if that did it. Okay, we're done. Alright, so $304 in an hour and a half. We had, how do you know you win? Okay, so Kip, essentially what I'm doing is I'm buying shares of a stock, and I'm looking at the price changes in a 1 minute time frame. I have these different time frames that aggregate how the stock moves. So these bars represent when people are buying and selling the stock, and if there's more buyers than there are sellers, then the bar will turn green. What I was doing here is I was waiting. I had a level marked out because this is where buyers and sellers were kind of competing, and anything that's above this is people are putting more buying pressure on the stock, and anything below this is selling pressure. So I was short here. Short means to bet against the stock. So what I essentially do is I'm borrowing shares from my brokerage account in order to sell it back at a cheaper price, making me net the difference in price. So I borrowed shares. I then sold them back for a cheaper price. I netted the difference. The thing reversed on me. I had to close my position out because I was scared that they were gonna kind of loop it back up here, but they didn't. They got rejected, so I shorted it again, and then I ran it all the way to 300. If you take a look at the right corner here, where it says P&L day, that means profit and loss. Bro, Tesla cursed. Prego Biddies, I made $1,400 yesterday on Tesla. I like Tesla. It's just that today was difficult because we had the CPI reports in the morning and the market dumped. So anyway, as I was telling Kip, the right corner, I don't know if you can see my cursor, but where it says P&L is profit and loss for the day. So I have $318. I got close to 300 several times today. It just chopped me out. Oh, but I think, you know, based on the amount of difficulty that I had to go through today, I should just be happy with what I got, and that really just builds on what I've made yesterday. So, yeah, anytime you make money is good. Rego Biddies, it's been a while. What happened to you? But this was difficult. You knew that I was going to bounce in the morning because of the drop-off. This was a retest. It didn't bounce. It failed, so you went short. But then it made a low here, and then it was choppy back and forth, and I was just bouncing back and forth between a loss and a win today. You lost 5,000 on it this year? Sorry about that. I don't know if I can help you out. But Kip, it's there's not many people that are successful long-term on day trading. The studies that I've read, I don't know if I agree with the approach in any of those studies, but there's a 95% failure rate. A lot of people just kind of give up before they hit their stride, and I've been hitting my stride over the last 6 months after putting in the work for a long period of time. You just have to play to an edge and just know when to stop. If you're not digging yourself a deeper hole, you're gonna win, but you're gonna lose. So it's just a matter of playing to your edge, and then as you win, you're scaling your wins, so that makes the wins bigger. And you just have that percentage rate between your wins and losses that you're using to get profit on. And the good thing about this game is that you can essentially scale out your wins much further than you could on a regular day job. Because, you know, you're trying to compete politically, you have to get promotions, you have to deal with all kinds of stuff that you don't really have in your control. But this is a true meritocracy if you're good in the stock market. You're only really competing against yourself. Don't worry about the people who are making millions or showing off that they might have millions or whatnot. You're just doing your own thing. Anyway, you probably didn't want a speech or spiel on it, but I've been doing this for quite a long time now. Finally started to make it, quote, quote. I had a 70% win rate historically for several years, but the problem is that when I lose, I really just kind of fuck myself. I mean, my losses used to just give back multiple days of work, but not so anymore. I kind of just, I can take a step back and kind of say, okay, I lost today, but, you know, 70% win rate, just based off of historical data on my strategy. Just get back on tomorrow, and then you just edge out your losses and you just profit. Anyway, I think I'm done for the day, at least in stocks. I'd like to play a game, but I can answer any questions that people might have. Yesterday was really lucrative, though. I wish I had live streamed that one. I did record it if anyone wants to see it. I usually record all of my sessions, and I'll try to keep those as long as I have drive space. I usually use it to learn and like write notes down. I have a Excel spreadsheet where I have like variables that I see throughout the day, and I try to see what days I lose the most in, and under what conditions do I lose the most, and you just kind of build off of that. But here, what do we see? So we had an ultimate low here. So this is a 1 minute. 1 minute doesn't really mean much, but it you know, adds to the story. So we did it here. We're bouncing off of the top of this level here. So now we have this to hold. And essentially the market is just gaining and losing levels, and you're just keeping your stop at a reasonable area, and then you just, when the odds are in your favor, when it looks like it's already retested the level, if it retested and it's not going lower, then what's it going to do? It's probably going to go up, so that's where you're betting on. This game, I call it a game. It is the best game because you're actually making money doing it, but lots of stress early on. Eventually you get numb to it and you're able to perform well. So here I'm looking for a long. So what you're looking at, this is a program called Thinkorswim. It's the platform that I use to trade stocks under my broker. My broker meaning where I'm investing where I'm putting money into an account in order to make trades. Charles Schwab is the one that I use, but there's lots of them out there. But Thinkorswim is the platform that I use. There's probably better ones out there that are a little bit quicker. Like Lightspeed is a bit faster, but I like the charting and stuff. You'll have to research which one you might like the best. Also, you don't have to risk your money. You can do a simulator. Like, even this program has a simulator. Like, if you go to the top right here, it says On Demand. If I click on that, it then becomes like a simulator. The data is like recorded from the previous day, so you won't be able to do live from the on-demand part, but you can at least try your strategy and see where it worked out. But I don't really like simulators because the way that it fills orders is different than what would happen in real life, and then also your emotions, you're not triggering your emotions on simulators, because that emotional aspect of it, where if you're losing, you don't want to just try to YOLO your way out of into profit, which is what you're gonna do if you're trying to trade in real life, because you're seeing your real money leave. But at least it lets you get familiar with how things work, and that's really all they're good for. See, I said I was... So this is the perfect example of what I was talking about. So you had a low here, reversed it, it was testing it. I said go for a long, there you go. So essentially you're doing that over and over and over and over again. And you see, look how, this is the reason why day trading works, is because orders get pulled in specific pricing levels. Look how it went up to the line that I drew before. So this is where this was a previous failure point. It found a bounce, it found a low here, it retested it, it went up, now it's trying to retest this level that it failed before. You want to see it break up and above, and then do a retest, and then it might go higher. So you want to see something like this, and then it can try to retest these ranges. Otherwise what'll happen is it'll try to retest this, and if it breaks, then you want to see it kind of make sure that it's going to lose, and then it'll go lower. So this is how you play it. It gets really difficult when you're in chop like I did before, like when I was, if you were watching earlier, I was oscillating back and forth between almost getting $300 and then going negative in this crap. Because it kept looking like I was going to break the open price, and it kept finding places to get support. But if you wanted to go long, you essentially had to do it within these igniting bars. There wasn't much to be gained afterwards. So that happens too. So you see the price just retested again. It's going to break up and above. Maybe. We'll see what happens here. but it couldn't get lower than this, so what's the expectation? The expectation is to go higher, so it's gonna break through here. Don't make me a liar. It does have a pretty gnarly topping tail here. There you go, so now you've broken up and above. Let's get a little bit more of a break here. There you go. And then what we want to do is you want to wait for this candle to close. And right now I'm on a 1 minute aggregation, so you want to see this thing finish forming, and you want to see it clearly above this line, the dash line. Another thing that could happen too is a failure. Nope, it got above it, so now you want to see it retest and hold it in order for it to be able to move higher. But this is one of the reasons why I don't stream this all the time, is because I'm explaining what I'm doing, but as I'm explaining what I'm doing, I can't... It's harder to do my entries and exits on something so fast when I'm explaining it to people. So I just try to do it every couple of days, or maybe once a week at this point. I was doing it every day for a long time, but I think that kind of hindered me a little bit doing that. So, nope, it couldn't hold. But you gotta wait for this thing to close, because it could be trying to grab liquidity, which means trying to get cheap shares to run it up higher, taking people out of their stops. Oh, it closed below. That's not good. So now it's going to retest this level that it failed to get, and then it's going to go lower. So now you have the opposite effect, where it couldn't hold up above it. Retested, it failed to retest, so now what you're looking for is this. What I showed down here. But it could also chop. It hasn't really... Depending on where you entered, you haven't gotten stopped out yet. Like for this one, you still have a nice tail here. This is probably what you're waiting to see gets broken or not. It's really up to your risk tolerance. But it's not good that it didn't succeed in gaining that. The other thing you have, too, is the momentum of the stock is really low, dropping off, too. You have the moving average declining, and it already set, like, a ceiling here. So you have a few different factors that you put into favor, but then on the opposite side, so you have to look at it from both sides. And then you, depending on how many variables you have on one side or another, you're trying to do all this stuff in your head. And you get good at it, you just see everything and it's quick, but me trying to explain everything that I'm seeing as I'm making decisions takes a while. So in a longer term time frame, if you look at the 15 minute, you're still above the 200 period moving average where the price bounced the first time, and then you have another bounce here. Oh wow, so this might actually clear. Let's see if this thing clears. Let me get rid of some of this garbage. Wow, this was a really nice long. So if you got here during the retest, you could essentially hold it and use this as a stop, and now you're just printing money. Your eyes and brain are fried. It takes a while to get used to, but I pretty much ran through how the thing works, and then it's a matter of you dealing with a psychological, like seeing your money just get drained really quickly, or the getting too happy about seeing things just start printing in your favor and not knowing when to take profits. It's mostly psychological based. Yeah, it retested again. If it fails, it'd have to close below, but it doesn't look like it's doing that. Although the more I look at this, it's tempting me to get into it again, but... See, there's the other psychological aspect of it as well. Like, I struggled really hard to get that $300 today. It was a much more difficult day than it was yesterday. And me explaining this stuff to you and seeing it work out makes me kind of want to go into it, but I have to push myself back a little bit. Because right now I'm saying, oh, this looks like a long because this thing just double tapped here. We'll wait to see how this thing closes, but it's looking good for continuation. And see, when I see that, I'm like, ah, I have like the fear of missing out, the FOMO. Why not continue? So there's a few different factors. The market's open for another few hours, but there are periods of the day that work out better than others. And right now, we're getting to that noon period in the East Coast where things start to die down. And when things start to die down, it's a lot more manipulated, more choppy. So you could really lose the amount that you've gained pretty quickly because you're going to get stuck in a zone. Also, I just spent way too much time trying to get that 300. If things had just broken out and was a much smoother movement, then I try to aim to be done within the first hour and a half each day, because if I trade any longer than the first hour and a half, then something's gone terribly wrong. That means I'm trying to dig myself out of a hole. So the best period to trade is like the first hour and a half and then the last hour or hour and a half of the day. And then everything in the middle kind of sucks. Not saying you can't make money, but everything it just kind of slows down and it gets really choppy, like what you see here, where it gets stuck in a range and it can kind of fool you. Like here, I've tried multiple times to break out, and I was kind of betting on that. But the big win was when I saw this thing break this this area. It had a nice reversal here, but then it didn't continue whatsoever, so I knew it was just going to die off. Hey, thanks for the follow, Kip. Mwahaha. Man, oh man, it is so tempting to want to get back in, though. I can't look at this. So I'll spend another minute to answer questions, and then I'm gonna go on to a game. I try to make some money, then play some games. Real games this time, ones that don't cause me to lose money or make money. Let me take a look at what else is going on here. So N-phase energy did a bounce. This one didn't have very much of a pullback, like Tesla did. Made some money on Marvel yesterday. Take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft's dropping off a cliff. Microsoft was a little annoying too today. But you can see this area that I was trying to regain and it couldn't. So if you were betting against it from the open price and you just kind of held it, you were doing pretty good. And then Nvidia. Man, this thing just won't die. Got close. It's retesting. So actually, it probably looks like it might fail, because it made a low, but it couldn't continue above it, and it's stuck in between that bar. It looks like it wants to fail, but it's really making a show of it. Alright. If there's no other questions on the stock market, I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to pee, and then make a burrito, and then I'm going to come back and play some games that are on the list. This month I have a theme where I'm trying to play some of the older games that have characters that have been designed by Akira Toriyama, because he passed away in March. Oh god, I forgot about the song debut, too. Did that already happen? I missed it, huh? Whoops. I missed my own premiere. Oh, no, I didn't. It's at 12 noon, okay. Yeah, 3 hours, okay. I was smart. Alright, any questions in 3, 2, 1? Alright, I'm gonna pee and I'm gonna get some food and come back. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna chill a bit. I'm trying to set some things up here, so I'll just kind of get things ready. Well, that's not working. Okay, now it should work. So I was playing Blue Dragon yesterday. It was an older role-playing game that was on the Xbox 360. I didn't really care for it. It was a little bit too simplistic. And I didn't really care about the music either, and it was made by Nobuo Uematsu, who's one of my favorite composers. There was just nothing special about it. Alright, there we go. Now it works. Ugh. Yeah, I wish I could have had more today, but it's just... I just spent too much time here. Kind of got worn out. Because when you're making that many decisions, it's just kind of draining on you. So you also have to pay attention to how you're feeling about that. Gonna be a couple more minutes, still setting up stuff. Oh. And there's still another news event later on today, so I think things are gonna slow down until the Federal Reserve meeting speech, or the notes. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, I was trying to... Okay. Alright, hopefully this works. Let's see. Give me a minute. Then I have to change category and make sure I don't confuse anybody. So how's everyone's day going? Well, I have a few minutes here. Okay, edit stream info. Done. Couple seconds left. Here, I'll get you a close-up view on my butt. Alright. Restarting. Watch stream and chill. Sounds like a plan. Good to have you. Alright, baby, come on, work. Work, baby, work, baby. Anytime now. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it works. Okay. So what we're gonna play is Tobal #1, which is a really old PlayStation fighting game, but it had some characters that were designed by Akira Toriyama, who's the creator of Dragon Ball, and I'm just trying to do like a tribute video for him, because he passed away in March. I did a little bit of that on the last highlight reel that's on the YouTube site, but I needed to do part 2 because I need more time to do everything. Alright. Wow, look at those PlayStation full motion video graphics. I don't know how this is gonna go. Definitely can see the, whoa, Jesus, that chicken. He doesn't usually draw his chicks that curvy. God damn. Jeez. A little out of his element there. Yeah, you can definitely see the inspiration. Like, they look like Dragon Ball characters. One second, I'm trying to swallow this burrito.
Fight!
So now what you can do with your Stickman figures is you can scan like your crappy art and load it to a AI model, and if you give it a prompt, it can kind of improve your crappy stick art. That's what I do. It's a little bit better than just doing a prompt, because at least you had some input somewhere, right? Let's see here. Oh, they don't even have, they don't even show the character models, or it just takes a minute? Wow, it doesn't even load character models. That's, so what do we want? We got this guy named Gren, who's dressed in green, who looks like Link. Got this demon dude, Ilgoga. He's Illin. Then we got Mary, giant boobies. We got the old Master Faye. You got Hom. Hom the robot. Epon, some chick. Oleums. And then Chuji. Standard, generic heroic male. What do we want? Kinda like this demon dude. He's kinda cool. Or Mr. Generic. Probably be easier to beat the tournament as Mr. Generic here, but I have no idea what the controls are, so let's, I'm gonna... Oh, there it is. You don't get to see the model until after it's loaded.
Ready, fight!
Okay, so what do we got here? We got this... That's his tail? This kick? So you got 2 kick buttons here. What is that? He just grappled me.
KO.
Okay, so you have high punch, low punch, kind of, and then high kick, low kick.
Ready, fight!
Can I ring? How do I throw? I want to ring out. Oh.
Ring out.
Look at that. Well, apparently there's a floor down there, even though it looks completely black. Oh yeah, look at that dance.
Ready, fight!
Wow, what a classic. What a classic this is. Oh! Oh, you kicked me while I was on the ground. How do you block? Is it down... direction, like diagonal, like Street Fighter? Uh-oh, don't touch me!
KO.
Damn. I don't know how the grappling works.
Fight!
Is it 2 buttons at once? Oh, I see. Looks like we're dancing. Oh, that was a combo.
KO.
Yeah, that was a super move. Apparently, ramming your head
Fight.
in one direction is a technique. Ooh. Look at that tailspin. You stupid robot.
KO.
Oh shit, continue. You lose, loser.
Continue.
I do. Let's throw some quarters at it.
Ready. Fight.
Okay, so guard is right. The right button up top. Apparently jump is a... Why they do... I guess they'd have to. So jump is the left button. And I saw that we were able to grab earlier, but I'm not sure how we did that. Is that double? No, that's not working. Oh, God.
KO.
Wow. Correct.
Ready. Fight.
And I just... kick you in the shin. Stop spinning. Just stand still so I can hurt you. Oh yeah, look at this high-level gameplay right here. Oh, whoa, you did splits! And now you're broken. You're a broken robot. Oh yeah. That's what I feel like when I win.
Ready.
Now I've got the mirror match.
Fight.
Ooh, jump kick. You didn't see that coming, did you? Oh! I almost threw myself off the ledge with that.
KO. Ready. Fight.
This even got a sequel. Wow, perfect. Look at that. Look at that high-level gameplay. And I started doing YouTube tutorials.
Ready. Fight.
Oh, we got cards. Is that the World Trade Center? Or the anime equivalent of it? Oh, man.
KO.
Oh, I knocked her out and I knocked her off the ledge.
Ready. Fight.
Get the Mo Moron. I couldn't even read what that sign said. Get the Mo Moron. Momoran. Momoran. Whatever that is. Oh, we got Link.
Fight.
Kung Fu Link here. Oh. He's wooing. There. Get off the ledge. Oh no! Oh no! He's reversed it. There, get off the ledge. Good they don't keep falling forever, that'd be cool. Just like a long screen. Oh, I wish I knew how to throw. This town is completely powered by wind. Ah, shit.
Ready. Fight.
Man, I wish I knew how to throw. hit throw button or did the combination. What? Don't swing me around like Bowser. What the hell? He's gonna throw me off the ledge like that. That would've been cool. Not great for me, but it'll look cool. Dude apparently played Mario 64.
Ready, fight!
Yeah. Should've had it in Tekken 8.
Ready, fight!
Wow, this is just an amazing game. What?
KO. Ready, fight!
Wow, we even got some slow down here. Stop it. No, don't you dare.
KO.
There we go. I think they're running out of characters. We've done everything but the big lady, right? Nope, we got the old dude.
Fight!
Sage 7. Oh, come on.
Ring out.
Nice. Don't trip.
Ready,
Looks like he broke his neck when he fell.
KO.
Oh, jeez. He did really well that time.
Ready, fight!
Oh, shoot! What? Oh,
KO.
Oh, that was lucky. Look at those skills. He whiffed on that spin kick.
Ready, fight!
Oh yeah, look at this. Definite waifu here. She's got curves all over the place. Just trying to ask you out. Accept it. Oh, hell no!
Ready, fight!
Yeah, she's got that. She got blocks. You can say that. God damn. Okay, my only hope is if she gets knocked off here. Oh, damn.
KO.
Oh! So you can apparently, you have a second to break the grapple,
Fight!
apparently. Well, that makes it less useful to do throws in this game if there's like a response time. Come on, baby.
KO.
Yes. I didn't want to do that to you, but you rejected me. Mufu.
Ready?
Is that the final boss? What the hell's that? Oh, Jesus, guy. Okay, they really upped the difficulty level on that
Ready? Fight!
one. Everyone else is a pushover, and then this guy is just... He's got some moves. I do like his little dance. Look at that. Should be a Fortnite dance.
KO.
Nothing like a good bit of cheese to win the day. Yeah. Stage 10.
Ready,
What the hell's that?
fight!
So we got 2 bosses. Oh my god, this guy. I don't think I'll be able to win this one. I can hardly do damage.
KO.
Wow.
Ready? Fight!
Oh, there we go. Keep, low-level attacking him. Oh, jeez, but if you screw up, he really gets you good.
KO.
Oh, apparently you can knock him over the edge.
Ready?
Straight to hell.
Fight!
Conveniently, you have lava there.
KO.
There we go. That's how I fight people. Had to shake my tail at them over and over again. That's the dragon fighting stance.
Ready?
This has
Fight.
multiple. Maybe they're just unlockable, but just come out later on. Oh crap, we're switching sides here.
KO.
Udan.
Ready? Fight!
Ah. Well, I'm kind of glad we picked this demon guy. He's kind of cool.
KO.
Oh, damn. I have
Ready?
a
Fight!
rabbit. Old master rabbit or something. I think that's what we're trying to go after with that design.
KO.
There. Yeah. Accept your title. Give me that trophy. Get some hype. Well, I would have felt ripped off if I had bought this back in the 90s.
Game over.
Okay, well, I guess that's it for that one. Kind of curious to see if that unlocks anybody. It doesn't. So, like, 3 additional people that aren't on this list. Okay, well, I think I've had all I needed to, I think I've seen everything I needed to see for this game. Let me, queue up something else here. Alright, what's next on the list? Ooh. Could play some of the old Mega Man games, but that's a little off topic for me. Let me see here. A couple of Dragon Ball games that we've got. Contra. I'll definitely go back to Contra once I've done with the themes. Let me see here. GBA. Where did I put? Oh, it's a Game Boy Color thing, right? No. The other thing I need to do is I didn't. I need to go back to Chrono Trigger. Where the hell is that thing? Okay, let me do a search. There we go. Where is that? Yeah. Let's try that again. Just a second. So we're gonna switch over to a Game Boy Advance game that's a part of the Dragon Ball franchise. Get some footage of that. Come on. Oh, I see. That's why I didn't see it before. Man, the original Contra was hard. One hit, one death. Man, old games were really difficult. No forgiveness. Oh, wow. They did a remake of the Bruce Falconer music into Game Boy Advance. Game Boy Advance sound chip. Alright, what kind of game is this? Oh, okay, so this is an RPG as well. Okay, this is a sequel to Legacy of Goku, I guess, which we didn't get very far in. This is where Goku dies, trying to transport Cell before he explodes. Cool, cool. Can you just fly? Oh. So this is the afterlife. This is when, this is King Kai, who Goku trained under earlier in the series. I don't know how much knowledge you have about Dragon Ball, but one of my favorite anime series of all time. Blah blah blah. You have to take a plane, it's called the Higher Plane, and it's docked next to King Yema's castle at the end of Snake Way, okay? Take a plane to go to the Higher Plane. Nice, play on. One Piece. I like One Piece too, and I even like the live-action one. The live-action one was way better than it had any business being, but I really, I was really happy with it. Alright, take me to the Higher Plane. Imagine dying and then getting stuck in a line and having this guy decide if you go to heaven or hell. Yeah, most live-action adaptations to anime suck, but that one was pretty good. I don't know if you've given it a chance yet or not, but it's pretty highly regarded. I actually can't think of one that was actually that good in memory. Door on my left to the Higher Plane. Okay. Oh, the Death Note movie. I saw that too. It was okay, but I don't know. I don't know about that one. I like the Death Note series. Anything to pick up around here? Nope. Damn, it's like a Mr. Scrooge mansion. Blah blah blah. Okay, save circle. Okay, hopefully that save actually sticks, because I wouldn't want a Chrono Trigger situation where I lost everything. Don't go into the Grand Kai's house without permission. Have you no respect? Apparently not. What do I do? Just stand out here? So how do I get permission then? Thought I did have permission. Dude, you just told me to come here. What am I supposed to do, man? Come on. 10,000 years? Does everyone have to train that long before you get to train with a Grand Kai? Damn. It's a long time to train. You should talk to the fighters here, Goku. They might be able to teach you a thing or two. Okay? I have updated my journal. I finished doing 5 million push-ups. Jesus. This guy is very pale. Hey, you know how to block, right? I'm gonna say no. Press the R button. That's right. Okay, how many people do I have to talk to, man? Blah 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 blah. Tutorials. Okay. Man, there's a lot of people. Why'd you have to... Please. Blah blah blah. Oops. I hit the A button again. Sure, let's get our asses kicked. I just gonna keep running into my fireball. I like how they just poof. Poof. Poof and drop money. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't gang up on the newbie. Boom. Wah. Damn. Do I have to, actually add my stats? Yeah, level up is glowing, but it's not, telling me what I need to do there. I thought the other games were auto level up. Oh, that guy dropped soup. Yeah, I should be using the stat points soon. Go into my radius of pain. Bam! Sucker. Nothing else in here? Okay, there's block. I thought there was a run button, too. Boom! Oh, this guy's getting wrecked. Bam! Damn. You give up. Number one level, yeah, so it's character game, but I'm at 62, I think, right? I don't think I can even open that yet. Jeez, hide yourself behind a door. Ugh. You're gonna make me level up more. Explains why I didn't play this very long. Alright, so I've got some dudes to get rid of. Hopefully sooner rather than later. Mmm, soup. Oh, that is so satisfying. Look at that. Just shreds apart. So how do I actually level up? Okay, A. A. And then... There. All points used. And we need... Man... 65, so we need 2 more levels. Oh, that is... Oh, I love it. Ugh. You kinda just want to do that to your worst enemy, just... energy blast him in the face. I'll just keep punking on these guys until I'm at 65. Alright, leave the screen, come back. And beat him up all over again. That is so nice. Bandana there. What is that? Is that an accessory? Bam. So is that soup in my inventory, or does it actually get used? Hey Kip, good seeing you. Sorry this game's a little bit boring, but I need to get footage of it. Hopefully see you again. Alright, 65, get in there. Boom. Alright. Cave of the Ancients said that there is a hidden ancient artifact inside. No one's been able to get it, okay? Let me, 12 AM, dang. Alright, have a good one. Great job blowing the door open, but if I'm not mistaken, the wall is made of catchin, the strongest metal in the universe. So we can't break this open. Let's see. What if I use my instant transmission technique? To do instant transmission, press the L button and switch to the instant transmission icon. Interesting. Cool. You found a cotton gi. Why is that ancient? I once met a yard rat that used that. Yeah, that's where I learned it from. Icon. Icon's a prize fighter of the Western Quadrant. In fact, just the other day, the Grand Kai himself called him up to stop an uprising. Oh, they're still using the old translation Hiffle instead of Hell. Jeez. Home of Infinite Losers. That's pretty funny. Cell and Frieza, and they took over the whole place. Ah, that makes sense. Pycon was able to take care of both, no problem. Kinda humbling me being able to take both of them on at once. I forgot about this guy. I remember the guy that was in the sword, the great... I don't know what the difference is between him and this Rockstar guy. I forgot about that part of the storyline. Go to the Otherworld tournament in the Grand Kai's house. Yep. Making progress. Oh, so many people watching me. The pressure. Whoa. Beat up on a caterpillar man. Reminds me of the Human Centipede, that movie. Some fish dude Arqua. Alright. Goku and Pycon, let's do this. You have to research who that Kai guy is and where he is at in the hierarchy. Knock you off the edge, man. You're holding that on me. This isn't your full strength, is it? Why does no one use their full strength? Holy shit, that's really good. Yeah, feature guy. Winner and champion of the Otherworld tournaments. I am a great fighter. This game's a lot easier than the other two. Both Goku and Pycon violated the rules of the tournament, and therefore both fighters have been disqualified. What the fuck? Oh, we did touch the ceiling. You didn't even mention that was a rule. Private lessons in 200 to 300 years, Jesus. Don't forget about your appointment. That'll give me some time to whip back into shape. I've been too much of a couch potato to keep up with these boys now. Yeah, I have to research that dude's story. I remember, the guy in the sword. I wonder if he's above that guy. Oh, there's Kai's and there's Kaioshin's. So I'm kind of mixing that up. Cool. So now I'm Gohan. What does he have? What is Z? Is that Super Saiyan? Cool. Oh wait, there's stuff in those. Nope. Almost looked like they were glowing for a second. Still going to school though. Boring. What's this? Is that an item? Yeah, rearrange the house a little bit from the last game. Man, why do I have... Oh, Goten. Okay, Goten and... Yeah. Gohan and Goten's? I'm sharing a... They're not even... It's not even one of those stack beds, it's just a... like, queen-size mattress for both of us. It's a little weird. Ooh, treasure chest. Is that a ruby? Lazarus crystal. I don't know what that does. So Goku and Chi-Chi have like a twin-size bed with one pillow on it. What? I guess Goku's never really sleeping with his wife anyway. Alright, going to school. Oh! Forgot to save. You want lunch? What is that? A rice ball. That's all I get? Rice ball and milk. Lunch of champions. I did not save. Whoops. Hopefully I didn't screw myself over. Oh, I get a chance. Okay. Save over your dad. Go to class in high school. But first, let's talk about the supermarket. Can you do anything here? I got 335 Zenny. Guess I don't really. I just wanted to see what the inventory was like. God, we got bullies. This is bank robbery. Oh! Jeez! One-shotted. Hey, you left some money behind. Why did you pick up the money? Oh, Vidal. Alright, what time is it? I think I'll wrap this up in 8 minutes. Good 3-hour stream. Made some money. Gotta work on some stuff on the side. Hercule Cafe. I like Mr. Satan better. Wish they didn't change the name for the US version. Hello? Oh, it's a... Okay, it's a MILF. Where's my damn school? Save complete. Where's my classroom? I do not miss school at all. Okay, where's the, classroom? These look like doors. I can't actually go through them. Nothing's marked that that's my locker. There we go. Jeez. Gohan here has made perfect scores in all his entry exams. Many of you could learn from his example. Oh god, I'm gonna get... Well, good thing I'm a thing, I get beat up. Ooh, hello, baby. Hey, Rasa. Is that top even allowed in school? I'm sitting in the back with all the kids who can't behave. Catching on! Gold Fighter wears the exact same shirt that I have and the exact same pants that I have. Ever heard of a little book nerd secretly being a superhero? I resent that. Man, she likes me. She wants my dick. And that's why you should never put a capsule out. I wonder what would happen with that. Okay, apparently won't know why, but we shouldn't do it. There'll be a test on Friday. No more tests for me. I'm done with school. Let me out. Join the track team. Yeah, everyone's creating legends of me, so what? Brief theory on quantum molecularization is amazing. We never learned that topic. Fly to West City and talk to Bulma. Yeah, then I can get the, Great Saiyan Man outfit. Fly to West City. That way over here. Nothing to see here, move along. Sounds suspicious. I don't know if I trust you, bro. can't even kick a door down with all my powers. Okay, where's the capsule port building then? Manhattan trash can. Whoops, whoops! Didn't want to blow up the cop. Why is that guy selling crystal up there? Well, this should have been it. Why, Is there a map? Okay, so there's another area. We can go through this way. Alright. Capsule Corporation. Okay, Bulma, give me an outfit. Hey, Bulma. So basically, you don't want anyone to recognize you, right? Go down to the supply room and get me a number 2402 capsule. Supply room. He said down. Can I get there from here? Fetch quests. Whoa! Gave me a cookie, damn baby. I love it when chicks give me cookies. Okay, this is a supply room? No, this is a gravity chamber. Where's the supply room? This is the capsule room, okay. Hey, is that it? That 2-4? Yep, there we go. Well, it really makes things easier if it's just lying down there on the floor. What can you do with this capsule? Make me Batman. Alright. What do we get? A Great Saiyaman watch. So I press this button and... Damn, I look good. Cool. Use your new disguise to fight crime. No, I don't remember how to use my scouter. Using the scouter, you can get information about many people and things. Just press select to pause the game, and then L to switch over to the scouter view. Oh, is that, that tells me their power level then? Guess I should have been listening to what she just said. Oops. Where's my save point? Game saved. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, I'm not sure if anyone's online, so say hi if you want me to keep playing. Otherwise, I'm gonna drop off so I can work on some stuff. Oh, there's an idle animation. What is that? Oh, that's Capsule Corp. Okay. Can I just land anywhere? How's that work? Kodai Pyramid. What is this cloud thing? Or plane thing? Stolen airship. Can I fight these guys? I think these guys might be too strong. Oh, Jesus. Holy shit! That was quite the punch. Knocked him off the screen. See if I can knock you off the edge. I beat you so bad you made soup. Is that it? Can I get inside or just the top part? Okay, apparently I can't take over the plane. Oh well, that was fun. Okay. Back home. Okay, that's my charge up. Oh man, people are definitely gonna notice me with this. Don't take my purse! Okay, that auto-switched for me. Yeah, I could have skipped this entire storyline in the cartoon. It really wasn't worth it. You making fun of my name? Alright, buddy. You know, he hadn't... I guess he had assault, but... I killed him, I vaporized him. I don't know if I should be judge, jury, and executioner. You murdered that person. Okay, that was it. So we vaporized him. What else is there to do? Oh, okay. Wow. Look at that. Nani? I didn't kill him. Oh, shoot, man. The trigger to go off screen. That thing's a little too close. Boom. I gotta watch out here. I'm getting my butt kicked. Inventory. Miso soup. Miso, sorry. Oh, Jesus, that gun. You made me drop all of my... lose all my coins. Mazeni. Alright, I guess we need more soup. Oh. Okay. Oh, damn it! Ah! I just lost that progress. Look at that big coin. Damn. Where was he hiding that? Stupid guns. Ow. Give me that. Okay, so we killed everyone here. Anything up here? Stop punching me in the face. I don't appreciate that. Everyone apparently carries soup in their pants. Oh wow, I'm gonna be late for class. Has it been a day already? You hear about this new superhero, they say it's someone different than the Gold Fighter. Great Soy Man? Soy Boy? Oh. Yeah. He's called the Great Soy Man, damn it. How do you know that anyway? Good save, good save. The Red Shark gang has kidnapped the mayor. Leaving class to save people? Vidal can lift more weights than I can. Damn. Can I leave class too? Alright, we got some leveling up to do. Whoops. Alright. So where is this gang? Save point complete. That dude's huge. He's got like a lead pipe boom. Better switch to your outfit, bro. First, how about some teacher mom's race ball? Alright. We're good to go. Now he auto switches, there we go. I am the guardian of the city. The one and only Great Saya Man. That's a stupid name. That was perfect. What a weirdo. Is this the hero they've been talking about? You know it. I'm the hero you deserve, because you suck. Oh shit. Gotta watch out for people with a shirt that says huge on it. Yeah, vaporize you. Oh! Get all the monies. I'm the strongest person in the world, and yet I still need money. Nailed it. Don't investigate, leave me alone. What is it in there? Hold up? That's a circus. I'm concerned about the well-being of that dinosaur. Animal kidnapping. Okay, we gotta rescue that thing. Alright, save the dinosaur from the circus. Oh, Jesus. Getting beat up by carnies. Oh! Level 61. Could be assigning my points here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, crap. Double team jerk faces. Oh god, two of these guys? Boom. Oh shoot. How am I gonna beat this guy without, without being able to use a Kamehameha? Oh man, there's... At least he telegraphs pretty easily. Boom. Alright, you're free. Free as the wind. We good now? Good thing I leveled up, I was really low on health. Fuck your bombs, man. Alright, we don't need to fight these guys, just get off the screen. Stop that man. What? Oh man, they got a tank? Alright, let's do this. Boom. Oh man, dudes come out of it. Nice. What happened? Was I supposed to talk to that? Oh man, did it again. Shoot. So that tank is always gonna be there. Okay, well I made a mistake. Alright, we're off screen. Oh Jesus, there's tanks all over the place. What the fuck? Can I go back to school and... Alright, we saved the game. Okay, so we had a nice 3-hour stream here. I got to play Tobal. I played Boo's Fury for a little bit, so we got those 2 games down. I'll mark that off the list. What else we got on the list here? We got Boo's Fury. We did Blue Dragon. Should come back to that. We did Tobal. So that's all the immediate ones on the list. There was Chrono Trigger, but we lost the save to it. I did record it, but I'd like to play that some more. And then we should do some fighting games again. Man, I miss Dragon Ball Fighters. That was a really cool one. He used to be good with some of the characters. Played online for a while. Alright, so... let's take a look at stocks one more time. So, looks like there's gonna be another leg lower at some point. But we also have the Federal Reserve meeting later on. Massive drop-off. There was an attempt to regain the level, they lost it, so... just kind of grinding lower, but we're in the void period. Where things just get kind of choppy and don't go anywhere. But there's gonna be like a spike of activity in about an hour and 20 minutes. But I'm probably gonna take a nap and not be involved in that. Today was tough, man. I should just be happy with that 300, and we tried to get there multiple times and finally got there. It's not very big, but... I mean, yesterday was a really good day, so it kind of offsets it. Alright, people. I don't think anyone else is online, but thank you for joining me. See you around whenever I see you. Bye-bye.